Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, JT. Today's tutorial is all about back to school. In this video, I will mention a piece. There's no piece at the end, but it's just going to be a great review for how to read music and how to play the recorder. Hope you guys enjoy. So, if you have a soprano recorder at home, like one of these, go ahead, pause the video, grab it, come back, press play. All right, we've got two quick reviews. Review number one, how to read music. In sheet music, we've got the staff, the treble clef, and the key signature, which tell us what notes to play. In treble clef, the spaces are the place for you to put your face. F, A, C, E, going from bottom to top. Then, every good band deserves funding. The lines from bottom to top are E, G, B, D, F. In the key sig, we've got a sharp symbol on the top F line, so every F we play is going to be an F sharp, aka raised a half step. Then, we've got the tempo and the time signature, which tell us how long to play the notes. This is a quarter note. The tempo is quarter note equals 96 beats per minute. Type that number into your metronome or a metronome app to hear it. Each one of these beats is a quarter note. This is a half note. Hollow note head with a stem. It gets 2 beats. This is a whole note, a hollow note head, no stem. It lasts for 4 beats. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. Reminder that the quarter note gets the beat, but we're going to see eighth notes, which are half a beat. Solid note head, stem, single flag. They sound like this. Then expert mode. We're going to see 16th notes in this piece, which are twice as fast as eighth notes. Solid note head, stem, double flag. There are 4 in 1 beat. They sound like this. When you see an arc between 2 note heads of the same pitch, this is called a tie and means you hold the note out for the combined length of both. And lastly, a dot after a note head means to add half that note's length to the end of the note. And boom, you now know how to read music. Review number 2, how to play recorder. Put the parts of your recorder together and warm up the head joint by putting it under your arm or in your pocket for a few minutes. We do this so your instrument won't collect condensation as easily when you play. Hold the recorder lightly with your left hand on top. Thumb hole 1, index finger, hole 2, middle finger, 3, ring finger, then right hand, 4, 5, 6, 7. With your right thumb supporting the back of the instrument, place the beak of the recorder on your bottom lip in front of your teeth and bring the top lip over to seal. Take a good breath and play notes by breathing into the instrument, saying do-do to articulate. To change pitch, use the pads of your fingers to completely cover the holes. For the show today, we're going to need to know how to play 8 different notes. Starting at the bottom of the staff, this note is a D, and it's all the fingers down except the right pinky. The next note is E, and it's thumb, then holes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then F sharp, a little tricky. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then G, thumb, 1, 2, 3. A, thumb 1, 2. B, thumb 1. C, thumb, open 1, close 2. And finally D, which is open thumb, open 1, closed 2. Now you know how to play the recorder. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope this was helpful. I will see you next time. Until then, peace out.